Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will see how we can easily download and install the Flipkart app on Windows. For that, go to the web browser. I am using Chrome, you can use any web browser. On Google, type Microsoft Apps and press enter. Now click on the official website apps.microsoft.com. After that, type Flipkart and press enter. Here is the official app. Click on Get in Store app. Now click on Open Microsoft Store to install it. Minimize. Now you can see the app is visible. Click on Get. It is downloading now. Now click on Open. Herein we need to log in. Now click Request OTP. Add OTP and click on Verify. Click Verify. Now you can see we are inside our app. When you'll close it and when you'll try to open it again from the start, type Flipkart, that's it, and click on Open. Here is the app and we just logged in, so the same will be visible. Okay. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily download and install the Flipkart app on Windows. Thank you for watching the video.